Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at how to create a control rig for your character using Mixamo. So I have modeled this character, and as you can see that there is nothing else in the scene other than the character. And also if you look at the modify panel, there are no modifiers. Okay. So all the modifiers have been removed. And if there are any modifiers, just make sure that you don't have any. Uh, I'm not applying subdivision, so I'm cancelling that, and any other modifiers are going to be applied. Okay, so there should be no modifiers in the modifier stack, and I have not applied the subdivision surface modifier. Okay, so it's a low poly character. Mirror I'm going to apply, skin I'm going to apply, subdivision I'm going to remove. Okay, so all these objects we have removed all the modifiers, and the low poly character is the only thing that is there. One more thing is this character has texture mapping, and under the update data properties UV map, I have two UV maps. So I'm going to get rid of the old UV map. I don't need it. I only need one UV map. So if I go to the UV maps, you can see that they are assigned properly. Okay, so this is the correct UV map. So once my character is ready, I will go to File, Export FBX. Okay, and in the export I'm leaving everything as default because everything looks good in my case. But if you have to change anything, if you have to remove your camera or lamp, you can do that here and just make sure the mesh is there. But I don't have anything in the scene, so everything looks good. I have a character export folder, so I'm going to export it as FBX, and then we go to Mixamo, you have to log in, so you can log in using Facebook or Gmail ID, Google, then go to upload character, select the character and upload it. The character is going to be uploaded. What I will do is I'll go to save this scene and go to create a new scene so I can import it when the character is ready. Okay. In the meantime, the character is uploading onto Mixamo. This may take a few seconds. So what we do is once we get the character with the rig, then we can apply the subdivision on top. Okay, so this is your character, so everything looks good. I'm going to click on next, and then we have to select the chin. So you can see that there is a zoomed in option here, so you select where the chin is going to be, where the wrist is going to be, where are the elbows. So you should be aware of the exact location of your joints. Knee, where the knee is going to be, and the groin. Okay, I'm going to select all the fingers for my character and then hit next. Okay, and it's going to do the rigging and skinning for us. You can see that the dress is going through, but once you apply subdivision, all those issues will be resolved. So this will again take a few minutes, few seconds perhaps. What we need to do is we need to find Blender Mixamo Control rig, and you need to download the add-on for Blender for the Mixamo Control rig. because once the rig is ready, you get all the bones, but it doesn't have the controls, and you have to download the. So you have to click on the get add-on here. Okay, and it is downloading the add-on, and now it's doing too many times. So we are in Blender. Go to edit, preferences, add-ons, search for Mixamo add-on, and then you can click on install and then select that file that you downloaded. And in the meantime, we have our character ready. So we'll click on next. Everything looks fine. Okay, then you can select any animation you want. So I'm going to select this character jumping. The Let me select this one because I don't want anything to go through. It seems to be slow. Okay, so I'll download this one. Just click on download, and we want to download it with skin. So you download the animation. Then you go to file, import, FBX, and it will come under the download. So I have already done this. I'll open this one, and you can see that the character has the bone. I'll hide the armature, and we looked at how to fix this issue. So under UV maps, I had not deleted this one, so I'll delete this one. And again, things are transparent, so you go to materials, and under settings we use hashed. That seems to solve the transparency issues. So select all the materials and change it to hashed, and that will solve the material issues. And then we will go to modify panel, and you can see you have an armature modifier, and then you add a subdivision on below it, and it seems to do just fine. Okay, and select all the objects that you have which need to be added the modifier. Okay, this one looks good without subdivision, so it's not important. Alright, so once that is ready, you can see that my character is jumping and everything looks good. Right, so these bones, if you hit the N key, and once you have installed the plugin and activated it, under edit preferences, make sure that the plugin is activated, and then you can create the controller rig for your character. And you can see that now you will be able to go to pose mode and make any changes or add animation to your character. So this is the leg. It has a knee roll. Okay, you can tap the feet if you want. Okay, and then you can look at all these different controls and what they do and how you can use them for animation. Okay, so some of the controls can be moved, some of the controls can be rotated. Okay, so you study the control rig and then you can use it for animating your character. Okay, one thing to note is there are no facial rigs, so we'll have to use other means to create the facial rig, which we will look in the future classes. So that's about it. You will have a basic rig ready with controls using Mixamo. Thank you very much.